Former Bulacan Chief Engineer Henry Alcantara says he delivered kickbacks to Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldi Co. Alcantara, known to his subordinates as Boss Henry, made the revelations before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
Ang pambayad para kay Kong Saldi ay nanggaling sa mga advances mula sa kontratista, pero hindi na alam ng mga kontratista kung para kanino advance na yon. Ang pera na nakalaan para kay Kong Saldi ay dinadala sa akin. Ako naman po ang nagdadala o naghahatid na hinihinging porsyento ng Kong Saldi sa iba't ibang tao niya. Hindi ko po siya na-meet during pagdadala. Ang tao niya po ay may alias lang Paul at Mark. Isang larawan sa isang lamesa na puno ng pera. Ito ay sa conference room ng lumang opisina namin. Lahat po ng pera na yon ay para sa BICAM ni Kong Saldi. 519 million na may 20% proponent noong 2022.
Alcantara says the deliveries were made to cost residents in Pasig and the hotel parking area in Taguig.
May isa o dalawang beses na dinala ko sa parking lot ng Shangri-La Hotel, Bonifacio Global City, ang porsyento ni Kong Saldi. Paminsan-minsan man, inahatid ko ito sa kanyang bahay sa Ladybug Street, Valle Verde 6, Pasig City.
Alcantara says cost kickback grew from 20% in 2022 to 25% in 2025. He adds, from 2022 to 2025, CO pushed for 426 projects for Bulacan's 1st District, amounting to 35.02 billion pesos. CO's alleged kickbacks were given in tranches. Alcantara says the first 10% was handed over once the project was included in the National Expenditure Program or NEP, while the remaining 10 to 15% was released 2 months later after the project was in the General Appropriations Act. CO was chairman of the House Appropriations Committee from July 2022 to January 2025 and was largely seen as the main architect of insertions in the national budget. Speaker Boji D. revoked the travel clearance issued to CO by former Speaker Martin Romualdez and ordered his return to the Philippines within 10 days. CO has been in the US supposedly for medical treatment.